Nice. Reel, keep it tight. 90 to 100 now. I am marking salmon. Nice. Here's where the fight begins. Oh, you got one. Looks like a silver. Nice. We'll take a silver.
Oh, come on, baby.
Side here.
Oh, coming back. It's a jumper.
It's silver, I think.
This one's a king.
Is that a king?
Yep. It is running.
You didn't like my mug. They see that net? They're like, no.
Might have to follow it forward there. I can help you. This is a legal fish. You want to keep it? Let's take a look at it.
It looks pretty small.
Yeah. Nice work.
Nice. Now let's get that weight in the water.
You.
Right on. Silvers.
Yeah, for sure. So this is a king. Maybe we'll let that one go, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Still a nice fight. Because you only get one a day. And like that one was like, he was probably legal, but just barely. So, and we just got here, so it's like, I'd rather roll the dice.
Yeah. You want a bigger one.
Well,
Yeah.
nice start.
Yeah, it's a good fight. Nice silver.
Yeah. I keep on fishing.
Yeah.
Yeah, baby. Hog.
We hogging.
How deep?
21 feet.
Nice.
Line up for him. Nice.
That's a good one. Nice king salmon.
Love it.
Look at the teeth on that boy.
Yeah. Looks like he's been hooked before.
On the nose?
In the nose there.
Yeah. Right on.
Good fish.
That's a good fish.
Yeah. Oh, nice silver. Shoot.
Yeah.
Some good bait, 60 to 100. Deep viewer when you got him?
Like 120.
Okay. We'll stay at the rail just in case he runs. Yep. Nice work. Good job. You're back at it. Nice work, man. That was a good fight. We'll get all the way to that lead and we'll lift up nice. That was a sweet jump.
All right, bring your rod tip up.
Nice work. Good job. Nice work, man. I got you.
Nice one.
That's a good one.
Yeah, way to go.
Nice. Really long. What you think, Hunter?
Yeah.
How deep was it?
See that bait ball?
Yeah. All the bubbles? Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Oh, yeah. Wow.
Oh, jerked it?
Look, check out this bait ball, guys.
Oh.
Check out that bait ball.
Oh, wow. Cool. Wow, look at them. That's crazy.
Isn't that crazy?
Is that what the salmon chase around?
Yeah, yep. They're all balled up.
What kind of fish is that?
Candlefish or needlefish. Needlefish.
Needlefish. Okay.
Yeah.
Here.
Go ahead and let some line out.
I haven't had one of those.
He's a little short.
Oh, no.
Wow. What's that? You got one up front?
Doesn't feel like the same.
Yeah?
There we go.
That's a salmon.
Here we go.
That looks like a salmon. Making you work already, Hunter. Sorry about that.
Ooh, nice king. It's probably gonna run here.
Yeah.
The little king.
He's gonna run. He's gonna run.
Oh,
You ready?
Been lift up.
My tip up.
Woo.
You almost jumped out of there.
Yeah. We'll measure him. I think he's good though.
that looks good.
He's good.
Keep that.
Yep.
Sweet.
Nice.
Sweet.
What's that one name?
That's a short raker rockfish.
Me? Your head? Yep. Oh, you're in that.
Quit showing him the net, Hunter.
They know what that is.
Nice job. Good job.
Thank you.
Let out some line.
Sorry.
No, you're good. You're good. You're good. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Wow.
Nice a fish. Nice
I would
fish.
have thought he would put in more of a fight.
He didn't really know he was hooked, I don't think, other than the net. That's a nice fish. Might have to get a couple more cranks on it. There you go. Nice work. Good job.
Number 5 we got? That salmon?
Yep. All right. Got a hog on there, Dan?
Yeah. Okay. Turn again. There you go. Oh, it's lively.
Nice. No doubter? Hey. Good job, buddy. There you go. How deep are you? Nice. Nice. He's good.
Good.
Good job. Good job.
Put that weight in the water.
Yep.
Oh my gosh, he's slippery.
No, it's a fish. Silly. Got it. Nice.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3.
We want to follow it forward there.
Man, you spit it.
He did?
Yep.
No way.
You need the bait.
Oh, you gotta.
Got a little fish? Oh, that's a nice one. Oh. Oh. Oh no. Oh, we got it. We got it. Oh man.
He's fat. Look at that guy. That's awesome.
That is awesome. You guys are awesome. How's that? Huh?
I got 3.
Okay. Mamma mia.
This is a nice fish.
Yeah, it's nice.
This is gonna be the leaderboard, boys.
That's mine.
A nice one.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Going? Yep. Real. Yep, we're going.
Halibut go up to 110.
This is probably a salmon. He's right here. It's a good one. Nice work!
Nice, man. There you go. Want to drop that weight in the
Boom! Wow!
That's a good one.
That's a good one.
Way to go. Is he silver or? I don't know. I can't tell. You ready? Oh, he was just down there just doing circles a second ago.
Looks like a king.
Yeah. There, I'm gonna keep.
Got one. Oh, I got off.
Rod tip up.
Nice work. You want to?
No, he's hitting it on the way down.
All right, come on back. Come on back. Woo! Okay. You're good. This one's a king. That's okay. No, we still need one more king. Hold your rod tip out here. It's all right. You okay?
Yeah. I'm gonna put these in that yellow toad.
Okay, good idea. Get him on her!
There he is.
There he is. Woo! That king.
Oh, stay up there. Okay.
Oh!
Gained it off.
Yeah.
Yeah, we will.
Nice work. You want? Nice. Yeah, follow your fish.
Come on down, Alex. Go up and over him. I gotta go underneath. Okay.
All right, you're right here. We got a fighter.
Wow, that's a good 62 feet. It was right there.
Yep.
Swing over towards me.
Nice one. Good job. Nice work, man. All right. There he is. Oh, king. Woo! King salmon.
Go, Alex.
Yeah, he let go and that came right back.
That's a good one too.
Yeah, we're kinged out now.
Right on. He grabbed it on the way down.
We have to go around the bow. Yep. He's coming back.
Oh yeah, screw that. Still typed up their hanger down though.
Oh, another king, another king. Too small, and we can't keep it.